Hi friends! Are you ready to write your letters with me today? Let's learn, let's trace, and let's write the alphabet step by step. Come on, let's get started. Let's write the letter A. Start at the top, slant down to the left, go back to the top, slant down to the right. Now draw a short line across the middle. Great job! A is for apple. Now the letter B. Draw a vertical line down. Make a small curved bump from the top to the middle. Then a bigger bump from the middle to the bottom. Wonderful! B is for ball. Let's make the letter C. Start at the top and make a big curve, around and down like a backwards U. Nice work! C is for cow. Now the letter D. First, draw a vertical line down. Then make a big curve from top to bottom, connecting back to the line. Perfect! D is for doll. Time for E. Draw a vertical line down. Add a short line at the top, another in the middle, and one at the bottom. Fantastic! E is for elephant. Let's write F. Draw a vertical line down. Add a short line at the top and a short line in the middle. Great job! F is for fruits. Now let's make G. Start like a C, make a big curve around, then add a little inward line on the right. Beautiful G. G is for giraffe. Time for H. Vertical line down on the left, vertical line down on the right, then connect them with a line in the middle. Nice work! H is for hand. Let's write letter I. First, draw a straight top line from left to right. Then, draw one long straight line down in the middle. And now, draw a straight bottom line just like the top. Wonderful! I is for ice cream. Now the letter J. Start with a small line at the top, then curve down and hook to the left. Great writing! J is for jelly. Let's write the letter K. Start with a vertical line down, now a small diagonal up to the top right, and another diagonal down to the bottom right. Amazing K! K is for kangaroo. Time for L. Draw a vertical line down, then a short line to the right at the bottom. Great job! L is for lemon. Let's make M. Vertical line down, diagonal down, diagonal up to the top middle, vertical line down on the right. Wonderful M! M is for monkey. Now the letter N. Vertical line down, diagonal to the bottom right, vertical line up on the right. Nice writing! N is for napkin. Let's write O. Start at the top and make a smooth round curve all the way around to close the circle. Perfect O! O is for owl. Let's write the letter P. Draw a vertical line down, Then make a round bump from the top to the middle. Wonderful P. P is for parrot. Now the letter Q. Start by making a big round O. Then add a tiny tail at the bottom right. Great job! Q is for quiet. Time for R. Vertical line down, a small bump from top to middle, and a diagonal leg down to the bottom right. Fantastic R! R is for rain. Let's make S. A smooth, curvy line, like a little snake. Beautiful S. S is for snacks. Now the letter T. Make a short line across the top, then a straight line down from the middle. Nice work! T is for tea. Let's write U. Start at the top, curve down, around, and back up. Great U! U is for umbrella. Now V. Slant down, then slant up to the other side. Perfect V. V is for violin. Let's write W. Slant down, slant up, slant down, and slant up again. Awesome W. W is for water. Now the letter X. Diagonal line from top left to bottom right, then another diagonal from top right to bottom left. Great job! X is for xylophone. Let's write Y. A short diagonal from the left, another from the right, then a straight line down. Lovely Y. Y is for yawn. Time for the last letter, Z. Across the top, diagonal down, and across the bottom. You did it! Z is for zucchini. Great job, little writers! You wrote your letters so nicely today. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next writing video. Bye-bye!
Watch more fun videos on Minimine's Learning. And don't forget to like and subscribe.